Hello everybody, my name is Jeremy Eck with the Boathouse, and today I'm going to take you on a Boathouse exclusive walkthrough featuring the 2022 Sportsman 282 Open. Sportsman makes two different models in their 28-foot center console. They're going to make their Open layout and their TE edition, standing for Tournament edition. This boat that we're on today is going to be that Open edition, where you're going to have the full wraparound seats up in the bow. You got backrests on either side, so you're really comfortable lounging forward in the front of the boat. A table that lifts up out of the floor. You can stop that table halfway up to act as a full then day bed up front, or raise it all the way up and sit around it for a table as you're having some drinks and snacks on the boat. Further forward on the boat, we're going to have our anchor locker up in the front. That's going to be equipped with a through stem Lumar windlass setup. Has a nice large fall, so you're not going to be constantly dealing with your lines tangling up as you're trying to pushing your anchor out offshore as it's doing that deep drop, or as you're pulling it back in. It's got plenty of fall to lay out really nice. On that, you're also going to have controls for the windlass up at the bow or at the helm if you're running from the helm position as well. Really nice setup for that windlass. A little bit back from those forward seats, you're going to have your forward bench seat. Underneath that, it's going to be a cooler underneath there, so insulated cooler. Put some drinks, it could be used as a fish box, whatever it may be there. So here at the helm, a lot of really nice features that Sportsman has to offer on it. First thing I'm going to talk about is individual captain's chairs. Both these chairs are going to be bolstered seats, so you either can raise it up as a leaning post or put it down as a seat. As well as they're both going to be on sliders, so that seat can move forward or backwards. One thing I personally really like about it is you slide that seat forward and you're driving from the seated position. You've got your feet up, you can still touch the wheel. You don't feel like you're too close to it, but you have enough to, if you need to grab it and turn the wheel, you can do so from here. Full integrated dash, all your GPS units here right in the dash. It comes standard with a 12-inch GPS, the 1243 XSV from Garmin. This boat is equipped with the optional secondary screen as well. Down below here, we got our full fusion audio controls. That's going to power all of your JL audio sound system. This boat's equipped with that upgraded M6 sound system, which is going to give you the couple amps, the upgraded speakers, upgraded head unit. Just a really good option there. Full throttle controls, trim tab controls. This boat's equipped with the Yamaha autopilot as well, so you're going to have that full integration there. And then it does also have an optional joystick capabilities, which this particular boat isn't equipped with. Full tilt wheel. You got storage down below. Open that up, storage for catch-all, whether it be for wallets, phones, if you want to throw some sandals in there. And on the back side, really nice, easy access to all of your batteries and electrical systems down in there. The 282 is also going to be equipped with a Garmin VHF. It's going to have a full ratcheting antenna on top. Just really, really well standard factory features that come on this boat. On the back side of the leaning post, you're going to have your full tackle storage prep center area, as long with all of your rod holders. As well as you got a nice prep center here with a sink, cutting board, little storage area, a lot of tackle storage drawers. You've got nice Plano box drawers, additional Plano box drawers in the back side. You got your tool holder here for pliers, knives, just a really nice setup for those days that you're spending the time out fishing. If you are pleasure boating the boat more, you can also use the drawers inside of here for koozies or sunscreen, whatever the case may be, but there's plenty of options, really great ample storage on this rear tackle center. Another thing you're going to notice on the back side here is nice large in-floor fish boxes. A lot of companies will come out with these small doors with large fish boxes, but you can't get to half of them. Where these, you got your full-size door for that full-size fish box. Again, all your lids all throughout this boat are all going to be finished off, pressure seals, friction hinges. Another thing on the Sportsman products, you're going to have dual dive doors. You got the dive doors on either side of the boat. They're all going to be done in the mold, so you're not going to use trim rings on the outside to keep the water out. They're built into the mold. They're very strong, and it's a really nice clean closure, locks in place and sealed off. And again, you're going to have those dive doors on both sides of the boat, where a lot of other manufacturers, you're just getting them on one side or the other, port or starboard. On the back side of the boat, on this transom wall, you're going to have your flip down seat here in the center. So nice, easy, flip that seat down, wide enough for two. And then on either side, you're going to have your full aquarium style Livewells. These Livewells, nice large opening. They're going to be pressurized Livewells, finished off lids, pressure seals, friction hinges, going to hold You got plenty of live well storage if you're using different types of bait that may eat each other or whatever you may need for that. And then on the very back side of the boat in the transom, this boat here in particular is equipped with the twin Yamaha 300 XSBs. What that gives you is your full integrated steering on those Yamahas. They're gonna be fully digital shift, digital throttle, digital steering, just a really nice clean setup, all done by Yamaha, and that's how they also incorporate that autopilot and joystick controls. Then finally, here in the floor in the rear, nice large hatch. The reason they have this large hatch is because this boat is able to be equipped with a Seakeeper. That Seakeeper is going to take out a lot of that roll for those long days offshore and just make you very, very comfortable while on board this boat. This particular one is not equipped with it, so you can use it as a nice large storage hatch, access down below into your bilge, whatever the case may be. So they still give you the door, they still give you the access, whether or not you do choose that optional Seakeeper on board. As you walk around the console here, a couple things you're going to notice. One thing, the full enclosure all the way around. All that's going to be a full tempered glass and not the acrylics or plastics, anything like that. It is a true glass for that, so you're not going to notice the discoloration through your different sunglasses or anything like that. And as well as on this port side, you've got access to the head down below. Inside of there, you're going to have a full porcelain head that's going to have a macerator with overboard discharge or pump out if you're at a marina, along with some nice storage on the front side to throw some knickknacks in. You can put your all of your batteries if you're running a trolling motor on this boat inside of there. Just nice storage for those couple things you're going to have on board as well. The full flooring inside of there is SeaDeck, so if you are changing, you got something nice to be stepping on as you're trying to change out of your beach clothes, if you're running to a restaurant, anything like that. It is just a nice, large, oversized head down below for a 28-foot boat. So that pretty much sums up our walkthrough video on this Sportsman 282. So if you have any questions about this product or any of the other products we offer, please stop by any of our locations. Visit us on our website at www.boathouseh2o.com. Follow us on our social media platforms, or like I said, just come stop by, give us a call. We're here to help, and we'd love to help you. Again, my name is Jeremy Eck with the Boathouse. Please reach out, and we look forward to seeing you on the water.